Hey, good evening guys, Steve Cat5J with 17 meters is open here tonight, so we're going to see if we can get some business going on here. So what we got here, let me go ahead and get this all IPO, so that's the normal gain, and let's just take a listen and see what we got going on here on the band here. There's something right there, let's just see if we can catch it. Alright, there we go. Write the frequency down here, 18120. And we'll see what we can get busy here. IPO, which is the normal receive gain. We also have a signal up here. That's 1830, 1840. So we might go up there in a minute. Make a note of that, 18140. Every one of these is 5. This is 25, 30, 130. So what I'm going to do, okay, let's go up here real quick. That's one jump up.
My name is Carl, Delta Radio, Echo Whiskey, Delta Radio, Echo Whiskey. What was my name? Over. Yes. You have my call correct? And you're 5 and 6, 5 and 7. Dr. Shane, my friend Gerhard, thank you so much for the call. I say Avita Sane and 73s from the east coast of the United States. Delta Kilo 4, Papa Fox, N1WNM. Thank you.
Okay, that's a local station. N1WNM.
Bye-bye, thank you. This is N1WNM. November 1, Whiskey Mike November, QRZ for any other calls.
Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot.
Kilo India 5 again.
Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot. Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot.
Yeah, I'm having a difficult time with that call. Conditions not too good for us. Kilo India 5, please give me your suffix again, over.
QSO, Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot. Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot.
Okay, Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot. Stephen, thank you very much. Stephen, you're 5 and 5. 5 and 5 with QSD. Difficult copy. I would like to get my report. Please give me my report now, break.
Yeah, very good. I've got you 3x3 here. QTH, Abilene, Texas. That's Texas, RST 3x3.
I copy the 3x3. You're 5x5. Thank you very much. I'm running 600 whiskeys here in Connecticut. Thank you so much, Stephen. Thank you for the call. 73s, have a great weekend. Over.
Yeah, 73, November 1, Whiskey, November Mike, Kilo India 5, Juliet, Uniform Foxtrot. Thank you for taking the call.
It's Whiskey Mike November. Whiskey Mike November.
Whiskey.
William, Mexico, Norway. November 1, Whiskey Mike November. QSO?
Yeah, copy that. November 1, Whiskey, Mike, Norway, QSL.
Very good. Thank you. Good evening.
All right, we made a call there.
This is November 1, Whiskey Mike November, N1WNM, QRZ, anybody, anywhere.
So I had him at about I gave him a 3-3.
Delta Lima 3 again.
He was kind of right there in the area, but we were running IPO, so that's good. He gave us a pretty good report, so we're running 95 watts. Let's go ahead and move up a little bit and see what else we can come up with here. Very good, very good. Alright, very good, very good. There's one right there. He's right in here. Turn on the gain 1, amp 1. There's one. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. I heard him say any station, so we'll work this guy here, see what we can come up with.
Calling 62, KC1TVS, Kilo Charlie 1, Tango Victor Sugar, calling on 17 meters.
Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot.
Did I hear Kilo India 5, Juliet Foxtrot?
Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. That's Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. QSL?
Alright, I'm having a hard time. You're right at the noise level. I think I have Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot, QSO.
QSL on that. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. QSL. The name is Steve, Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo, QTH, Abilene, Texas. That's Texas. I'll give you a signal report on your next over.
Okay, I got you right at the noise at 3, so 3-5, and I'm going to continue on, but this was a good QSO. Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot, Kilo Charlie 1, Tango Victor Sugar, 7-3.
QSL, Kilo Charlie 1, Tango Victor Sugar from Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot. Thanks for picking up the call, 73. Alright. Made or not?
I'm going to add you to my QRZ page. If you could confirm, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
QSL 73, thank you again for taking the call. Alright, cool. So we got to write our Zulu time down here. That's 0034. And this other guy was about Zulu 31. So we got to make note of the time here, because we'll go back and confirm these guys. Wow, 17 meters is just wide open here. Very cool. Let's go up a little bit more. Yeah, we just done a band there. I like 17 meters. That's a lot of fun. Okay, we've talked to this guy earlier. That was November 1, Whiskey Mike November. I think that's going to be... Hey, we got CW going on down here. Oh, that's the FTA call. Alright, let's go to 40 meter and see what we can do on 40 meter.
Roger, is 80 meters pretty wide banded on that for you?
Well, it is. I can go pretty much across the band, but I think that's what's strange about this antenna is the loading coil, or whatever you want to call it, the magic box. It kind of makes it pretty resonant all the way across, which is really strange because I can go all the way across 80 meter, 75 meter, but I don't think I'm getting that much power out.
What's your SWR on this frequency right now?
With 95 watts, I'm running about 1.3. I'm running a video also on it.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe that you're definitely putting out more power than what you're stipulating, because otherwise, I don't know if Bill can hear. Let me see if Bill can hear. Hey, Bill, are you still there? W5WHK, you still there?
Hey, Elmer?
Yeah, can you hear Steve over there? Steve, go ahead and talk to Bill, see if he can hear you.
Hey, Whiskey 5, I think Whiskey Hotel Kilo. This is Steve, Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot, over here, neighbor of W5SLG. Can you got a copy on me, sir?
Oh, yeah, you're sounding good there, Stephen. You're just a little bit stronger than Elmer. Yeah, I got a good copy on you.
Copy that, sir. Good. You're doing good. I've got you S9 over here, and Elmer, you're 20 over. So, well, thank you for the report there, Wild Bill. I wasn't expecting, wasn't sure what to expect. Just picked up a new antenna there, and Elmer's been helping me. So, Good to meet you, sir. The name on this side, Steve, Sierra Tango Echo Victor Echo.
Okay, you bet, Steven. I'm back here, and yeah, it sounded good. And welcome over here, and I'll talk to you whenever we can. KC1TVS W5WHK.
Very good. Well, W5SLG, we may have to review that again. I'm not sure what to think anymore, but thanks again, Elmer. I really do appreciate all your help. You really have got me in a really good spot here.
Oh, well, I hope you've been enjoying the heck out of that antenna, but you know, you went from basically not being on HF to all of a sudden like a whole new world for you, and you're enjoying it, and I'm very happy that you're doing it. But yeah, that can't be right, because when you were doing the calculation, I'm going on that to go, that can't be right, because I have a compromised antenna. I have the diamond. You have the Comet, but I have the diamond one, and you know, the collapsible one, and you know, I was using that on 80 meters, and of course at that time I didn't have a lot of power, but it made contacts on 80, you know, what I thought it would, but I think yours is actually better than the one I have for that, because it is more wide banded. So these, you know, compromised antennas sometimes tend to lose a little bit of power, but when you got that type of a match on it, and you got that much lead with your coil, you know, with your loop there, that should be more than enough to get rid of any RF and bunch that power up. And you're almost 20 plus over here, so I don't think that's right when it's 2 watts, because otherwise I wouldn't hear you at all. Over.
Yeah, copy that. That'll probably get a redo on there. That was kind of a first shot, but I don't know. I think you're right. And now that Wild Bill can hear me in Temple, I know I'm getting out now. That was one of my concerns, because I thought, well, maybe no one can hear me. But anyway, good information, and I'm kind of excited because it's good. It's good.
Hey, Roger, the reason Bill can hear you better than me is because I don't have the amp on tonight, so it's just 100 watts barefoot, but you're up 30 plus feet up in the air, and that's good. If I had a tree in the backyard, I definitely would hang a dipole up there, or like an inverted, like a vertical higher. I've actually thought about sometimes getting one of those big 60-foot wind verticals, but man, those things are even by yourself are a little bit of a task to put up, but it's sounding good over there. So any other contacts besides 80 meters this week, or just staying close to other bands? Over.
Picked up 2 tonight on 17. One out of the northeast, and another one. Well, the other guy was Kilo Charlie 1. He was also in the northeast. So yeah, 17 meters was actually booming tonight.
Yeah, you know, I was going to say 17 meters is kind of one of those funny bands. You know, you'll hear a lot of fading on that particular band, but it's one where everybody goes. You know, there's usually no contesting on 17 meters, so it's usually pretty much QSOs, and you will hear FT8 on there as well, which is pretty good. A lot of fun band. It's a fun band to work. I'm sorry, I might have said that wrong. It's 17. I think I meant 30, but 30 has all digital, I believe. So, and that's a fun one to work. Your next foray should be learning how to work either PSK 31 or eventually get into FT8, Roger?
Copy that. Thinking about it. Yeah, I'm hoping to. I'm still working CW, but I'm telling you, Elmer, CW's been it's been a long journey. Anyway, KI5JUF.
And KI5JUF, W5SLG. Yeah, you know, I imagine it has. I've been seeing you progress from like dit dot to now you're doing 5 words per minute, probably a little faster. You're a lot better than I am. That was just one area that just didn't really interest me. But there's so many aspects of ham radio, from satellite to HF digital to just now name everything you want, pictures. Somebody was actually posted that now they're doing NXTN. So think of it like Fusion, but only or P25, but NXTN commercial on 6 meters. So somebody posted it, one working like that. So of course it's drawing a lot of interest. It picked up my interest because I do D-Star and Fusion here, and occasionally I do DMR, not that many times, but it'll be something to play around with maybe in the future. Just a thought. Over.
Yeah, copy that. That's good. Well, I'm excited, Elmer. I made a contact in Temple with Wild Bill. I was worried I wouldn't be able to reach anyone, so I'm excited. I really am. I'm going to put this video up in a little bit and let everybody listen to it, but I'm just excited. I can't tell you.
Hey, Roger, let me see if Now, Richard's way down there in Copper's Cove. Let me see if he can hear you. I'm going to put a call from him. Maybe he won't be able to hear me tonight, but I'll try it. Alpha Alpha 5 Golf Victor, this is W5SLG. How copy? Now, let me see if I can get somebody out there. This is W5SLG. Anybody out there? Let's try the big gun, W1BG, W5SLG. It's a rough band right now, but hopefully it'll dial in here a little bit. But anyway, Steve, well, good for you. I'm glad you're getting a chance to really work that thing out. Over.
Yeah, copy that. I'll I'll work this video real quick, and then I'll check back in a little bit. I'm excited. I'm so glad I got to talk to Wild Bill in Temple. So anyway, I'm good. Thank you, Elmer. I really appreciate you, and I'll be listening in a little bit. Thanks again for all your help.
Yeah, Roger. Are you going to be at breakfast tomorrow?
Oh, absolutely. You going to be there?
Yeah, you know me. I may, if I feel energetic enough. I haven't been sleeping too good at night, so just wake up with really combative. I think what it is, I need to change my CPAP hose, and because I do sleep with CPAP now for quite a few years, and so I probably just need to get in there and just stop being stingy and break out a new one. So I'll do my best to be there tomorrow morning. All right, Steve, good talking to you, and we'll catch you later. KF5JUF, W5SLG, Apley.
Yeah, very good. W5SLG, KF5JUF. Thanks again, Elmer. I'll be back on in a little bit. 73.
Roger, Roger.
All right, so we got Elmer. We also. Very good. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. This is Kilo India 5, Juliet Uniform Foxtrot.
He sounds good, doesn't he?
Okay. All right, I think that was Wild Bill and...
I don't know, Bill. I think we scared everybody off the frequency tonight. Everybody's just sandbagging.
Okay. All right. There's some 80 meter activity. Okay, guys. 73 KF5JUF. All right. Thanks again.